My name is Ayan. For a long time, my day started and ended with my phone. The first thing I did every morning was check notifications, messages, videos, social media updates. Even before getting out of bed, I was already looking at a screen. At first, it felt normal. Everyone around me was doing the same thing. But slowly, something started changing inside me. My attention became weaker. When I tried to read a book, my mind quickly became bored. When I tried to study, I felt the urge to check my phone. Even during conversations with friends, I sometimes looked at my screen. One day, my younger cousin visited our house. He was only 10 years old. While we were sitting together, he suddenly asked me a question. "Why do you always look at your phone?" His question surprised me. I laughed and said, "I'm just checking something." But later that evening, I started thinking about it. Was I really checking something? Or was I just following a habit? The next day, something interesting happened. There was a power outage in our neighborhood. No electricity, no internet. At first, I felt uncomfortable. I picked up my phone again and again, but there was nothing to see. After some time, I walked outside. The evening air felt fresh. Children were playing cricket in the street. Some people were sitting outside their houses, talking. Without the internet, the world felt slower, but also calmer. I sat on a small wall near the road and watched the sunset. The sky slowly turned orange and purple. For the first time in many days, my mind felt quiet. I was not thinking about notifications. I was simply observing the moment. Later that night, I realized something important. Technology is useful, but constant connection can also become a distraction. When we spend too much time online, we slowly lose attention for the real world. We miss small details, the sound of birds in the morning, the beauty of a sunset, the joy of simple conversations. The next day, I decided to change a few habits. I did not stop using my phone completely, but I created small boundaries. No phone during meals, no phone during study time, and 1 hour every evening without any screen. At first, it felt strange, but slowly, my mind became clearer. I could focus longer while studying. I enjoyed reading books again, and my conversations with friends felt more meaningful. Now I understand something simple. Technology should be a tool, not a master. When we disconnect sometimes, we reconnect with real life, and real life has many beautiful moments waiting for our attention. Final thought. Use technology wisely, but remember to look up from the screen sometimes, because the real world is still the most interesting place to live. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep observing life carefully. And always remember, sometimes disconnecting from the digital world helps us reconnect with ourselves.